Today, we will embark on a fascinating excursion beyond the physical sphere into the ethereal embrace of the astral dimension. We shall delve into the secrets and transforming potential of this higher realm, guided by the Arcturian Council's brilliant wisdom. Imagine a place where time and space are no longer restrictions, and consciousness can move freely, connecting with higher energies and deeper truths. Many souls assemble in this sacred realm, transcending earthly limits to imagine a future full of harmony, love, and collective awakening. In this celestial gathering place, we join forces with like-minded people, shedding our differences in order to create a new earth, one that thrives on equality, creativity, and spiritual riches. Together, we dig into the secrets of the astral realm, revealing the profound spiritual labor that frequently manifests as our nighttime dreams, but holds the key to our planet's change. Join us as we comprehend the Arcturian Council's communications, understand the critical role of the astral realm in our ascension, and accept our destiny as conscious builders of a dazzling future. Prepare to elevate your spirit and broaden your awareness, because this voyage goes beyond the ordinary and encounters the holy. Welcome to Psychonics, where the journey to enlightenment begins. We convey a message of deep significance from the far reaches of space. We are the Arcturian Council, and it is our great honor to share this information with you. Our hearts are overflowing with gratitude as we observe the magnificent evolution of the Earth and the uplifting path of human consciousness. We recognize the enormous hardships and trials you endure in your earthly life. Know that you're not alone. We are here to provide unflinching support and direction as you walk this transforming path. The challenges you face are simply stepping stones to deeper awareness and growth. Unity and collaboration are the foundations of a peaceful future. Together, we can create a tapestry of love and light that surrounds the entire world. The collective ascension of consciousness is more than a fantasy. It is a reality in motion, propelled by the combined efforts of all who seek enlightenment. Your path exemplifies the strength of the human spirit, and your achievements serve as a beacon of hope for the universe. Let us move forward with open hearts and aligned spirits, welcoming the momentous changes that await us. Cooperation is the foundation of a future full of harmony and love. As we combine in purpose and spirit, we create an atmosphere in which consciousness can reach new heights. This joint effort is the driving force behind the incredible development we are witnessing in the awakening of human potential. Beyond the physical world exists the astral plane, a region where like-minded spirits come together to conceive and construct new systems for the planet. Significant labor takes place in this fourth-dimensional space. Many of those who attend these nighttime gatherings wake up exhausted, a result of the intense energetic labor they perform while their physical bodies rest. Regardless of bodily disparities, unity prevails on the astral level. There is a shared knowledge of the importance of change, as well as the extraordinary ability to travel freely and communicate with a wide range of species. This realm transcends the material world's constraints, providing a sacred space for the exchange of deep ideas and transforming energies. The astral plane acts as a bridge, linking us to higher realms and allowing our consciousness to engage in important spiritual tasks. It is a location where collective dreams become a reality, paving the road for the new systems and harmonious existence that we all seek. The vision for new systems on Earth goes beyond the current structures that benefit the few while disregarding the masses. Consider a society in which wealth is distributed evenly, ensuring that everyone has access to the resources necessary for a satisfying existence. In this imagined future, politics is conducted in complete transparency, guided by honesty and the common good, rather than secret goals and power battles. Education, too, is being turned into a beacon of creativity and self-discovery, nourishing each soul's unique abilities and potential. This future is more than a faraway dream. It is a practical reality that we can co-create. However, meaningful transformation necessitates more than putting our trust in a few politicians. It asks for a collective awakening, a shared duty that all of us must accept. Change is the result of many people working together with the same goal and vision. On the astral realm, this Earth collective recognizes the critical necessity for cooperation. Souls gather here for a common purpose, overcoming the illusions of separation that dominate the material world. In this hallowed space, disagreements are set aside, and we are united by a shared knowledge of the need for significant change. The astral realm becomes a haven for higher consciousness, guiding our attempts to reinvent and reconstruct our planet. Regular gatherings on the astral realm act as sacred assemblies where the state of the Earth is discussed and required improvements proposed. These gatherings provide energy support, fostering a setting in which concrete plans for a new Earth are developed with divine inspiration. Each soul contributes their own perspective and energy, weaving the threads of a greater future characterized by peace, love, and oneness. In these ethereal worlds, the Earth group strives ceaselessly to embrace the spirit of collaboration and mutual respect. We bring to life the vision of a transformed Earth, where every being can thrive in peace and joy via our collective efforts. This new Earth is a world where sustainable cities thrive, driven by renewable energy, and strong community links provide a network of support and connection. Health and education systems are holistic, fostering both personal and collective progress, guaranteeing that every individual realizes their full potential. Let us embrace our roles as co-creators, knowing that together we have the capacity to create our planet's fate. Each of us is an important piece of the cosmic puzzle, and our collective consciousness is the key to unlocking the endless potential inside us. As we discover our true nature and our connection to source energy, we realize that we are not separate entities, but rather components of a glorious whole, capable of creating a world of light, love, and unlimited possibilities. Through our collective awakening and unflinching cooperation, we will usher in a new period of enlightenment and harmony. Let us continue forward with grateful hearts and determination, knowing that our collective efforts will pave the way for a future in which every soul is cherished, empowered, and free to grow. Together, we shall create the new Earth, a planet where dreams come true and the light of consciousness permeates every aspect of our existence. Imagine a future Earth in which environmental conservation and peaceful cohabitation are at the forefront of our collective consciousness. Consider sustainable cities that rely on renewable energy and have strong community links that bring people together. This vision takes a comprehensive approach to health and education, encouraging personal and societal progress. Every individual on this new Earth is empowered to realize their full potential, contributing to a world of balance and harmony. As we awaken to our true essence, we become more conscious that we are part of the source energy. This heavenly spirit unites all entities and possesses the ability to create reality. Understanding and tapping into this wellspring allows us to consciously influence our own fates. Our activities, imbued with intention and cooperation, become the driving force for significant transformation. With this waking comes the recognition of our enormous responsibilities and limitless ability as creators. We are not passive onlookers, but active players in the magnificent fabric of reality. Each of us has a unique perspective and plays an important part in the collective progress. By valuing and accepting the Earth Collective's autonomous thought, we recognize the diversity that enriches our common path. We stand on the verge of a wonderful future, where our collective efforts and conscious acts pave the way for a thriving, enlightened world. Let us accept this responsibility with enthusiasm and resolve, knowing that we have the capacity to create a new Earth full of love, light, and unlimited possibilities. Cooperation among different races is an important part of our collective evolution in the magnificent fabric of the universe. We collaborate to use sophisticated technologies like as light ships, which transcend physical constraints and extend human awareness. These majestic ships transport us beyond the limitations of our world, connecting us to higher realms and deeper truths. Portals and stargates act as portals to other realms, and they are critical instruments in our effort to construct a new Earth. These portals allow us to enter regions of limitless potential, where the seeds of transformation are planted. We acquire wisdom and energy through these portals, weaving them into the fabric of reality to create a peaceful and enlightened world. The labor done in the astral realm is similar to a busy night shift, requiring constant effort and dedication. Each intention to engage secures your attendance at the next gathering, when spirits come together to share thoughts and energy. These astral meetings are alive with action as we all see and build the future we want. As we engage in these celestial activities, we excitedly await the moment when our spirits meet on the astral realm. Here, we learn from one another, share fresh ideas, and strengthen the links that bind us. By actively participating, we not only accelerate our individual evolution, but also contribute to the collective ascension of all beings.